Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 8th October 2024. Bharti Airtel is in advanced talks to acquire Tata Play, India's largest DTH business. This move aims to bolster Airtel's position in the digital TV segment. If successful, it will be the second major deal between Airtel and Tata Group. This acquisition would help Airtel compete with Jio's aggressive market strategies. The Income Tax Department is investigating over a dozen event management companies suspected of evasion through underreporting and incorrect declaration of income from overseas performances, as well as cash payments to vendors and contractors beyond the prescribed limit to escape the tax net. Celebrities who have worked with these companies are also under scrutiny, as the tax department has detected discrepancies in fees and payment. Nearly 50 companies including TCS, Tech Mahindra and Apollo Tyres have offered 13,000 internships via the PM Internship Scheme. The initiative aims to tackle youth skill gaps, with 200 companies targeting 1.2 lakh internships this financial year. Roles span across sales, marketing and manufacturing. Interns will earn Rs 5,000 monthly, with the first batch starting in December. Recently, the Indian government has requested private equity and venture capital industry to explain how other countries tax fund managers, particularly in relation to the application of GST to carry earnings that are part of the share of profits of fund managers and key employees. This subject, which has been topical in the recent period, can potentially affect the development and functioning of AIFs in India. Currently, none of the developed markets such as UK, US and Singapore taxes carried interest in the form of indirect taxes such as the GST. In these countries, such income is captured under capital gains, which is worse than business income as far as tax rates are concerned. This is viewed as profit on investment rather than management fees, which set it outside the remit of VAT or GST in most countries. The Indian fund managers who have actively participated in funding startups and other unlisted businesses have appreciated the government's attitude towards considering comparability of tax regimes internationally as a positive move. This could pave the way for clearer tax policies that treat carried interest similar to capital gains, potentially providing much needed certainty for the AIF industry. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.